What's going on, guys? Dan Cal here from Liquidation Pros, and today in this video I'm going to finish going through that Instagram buy that I made of all the beauty supplies. Referring to this pallet here, I took a bunch of the inventory home and actually has been selling really well. Not so much this stuff. Some other items in here have been selling well, so happy about that. I have my list here that I need to do a count on and check my inventory levels, so I'm doing that on this one. And then from the same guy, since that deal went well, I confirmed the inventory is good. I've already gotten some good positive feedback from the customers, so authentic stuff, very good deal. And that was around 8,000. I think it was around 8,000. It could have been 6. It might have been 6. I'm sorry, I can't remember. I got 3 different orders with this guy now. Now I know that this one was 7,000. The other one I don't have the total. I'll have to go back and look. Anyhow, so I got another shipment from this guy from Instagram, who owns a major wholesale company, but he contacted me and reached out to me for some buyout deals just because he had some inventory that his specific clientele or customers didn't seem to be buying as often or as frequently as he'd liked. So he reached out. It's looking like it's going to be a really good deal. The one deal is probably triple my money. This deal is going to be even a little bit more than that, but I have a lot. Let me see, 2,300 of a specific makeup brush. So some of these brushes down here, I may have to wholesale some of those off to move them a little faster or sell them down in the flea market in bulk. I'm not 100% sure yet. They do sell pretty decent online and on Amazon. I need to come up with a game plan with that. There's also some two other products that were the same exact thing from this lot that I've already been selling well. So I said, go ahead and give me the rest of them. So anyhow, that's what I'm up to. Stay tuned. I am going to do some quick sorting and a count, and then I'll show you what we got. I'll lay it all out and you'll get a better idea of what I'm talking about. All right, getting ready to load up some of this stuff. The first pallet has been accounted for. I got like 33 extra pieces of one item and 40 less of another one. So I'm short on one thing, but there's something extra. I think it was a mistake on their part, so I'm gonna reach out to them and let them know the situation, because actually the item I'm short on is worth a little bit more money. So I'm fine with like paying for the extra and then them sending me what I'm missing. Or, I mean, honestly, it's so much stuff, if they wanna call it even, that's fine too. But basically, I had 500 of these, and these are this Alginist, it's like a lip balm, or no, I'm sorry, eye renewal balm. These were not selling fast, but the price was right. I paid $4 a piece for those. And I'm just gonna have my list here so I can tell you guys. So I had 2, I had to sort those out. There was one huge box that you couldn't even move, I put it into 2. These have been selling really well for me. This is that Paracone MD, and it is a face firming moisturizer. Really high-end brand. I'm getting like $38 a piece for those, and I paid $12.50. And then I have over here a huge stack. There is, all right, so these are the Rise and Shine. I've showed these before. I've been selling a bunch of these. I think in the first week I sold like 10 of them, which is really good. I'm getting $22 a piece for these. And I had 200 of them, and I paid $3 a piece. So good profit margins there. These Peter Thomas wrinkle creams, these I had 100 of, and I paid $10 a piece. They go for around like 24 bucks. And then over here we have the Alginist. This is like a serum, anti-aging serum, liquid collagen lip. Those are the ones I'm missing a few of, so I'll reach out about that. Those I actually paid $6 a piece for those. So all these, they're all the Paracone MD. They're 24 in the case. And for that one, for this lot, I bought 200. And then for the Rise and Shines, I also bought 200. So that's everything in this pallet. There's a few other items in here. Some of these I've already taken home, and so we could list them. So this Jose Moran, and then some of this Elemis eye recovery cream. A bunch of that stuff. I had 50 of these and 50 of these, and so those are already sold. Oh, and then also this Laura Geller, New York, blushed, baked blush in Brighton. I was kind of surprised. These sell for like $15 to $20 a piece, and for that one I paid $4 each. So pretty good, pretty excited. Everything looks good. Everything checks out but that one item, so I will get a hold of them. And then right now I'm getting ready to break this down. I don't think I'll film much of that, but I need to do a check on all this inventory. That might be a later video. It's already like 2:30, so getting close to being the end of the day. And I still have other things to do at home. So anyhow, thanks for checking out the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.